Why should I choose HDC?
So it's a great question. When I go out on my initial consultation with a customer, oftentimes they've told me that they've had several bids and that I'm the last person that they're seeing. Then they explain to me that they've had these bids, they've gone through the scope, and then they're trying to compare bids at that point. I like to go into the details and kind of explain that competitive bid marketplace that is very prevalent in our industry is comparing apples to apples. What Hogan does that's different, we like to go into the details. And so we'll figure out all the details of what's going to happen in the project, so what kind of cabinets are going in and what kind of countertops and the type of flooring and all of those details, because when you sign those competitive bid projects, those are usually figured out with allowances, and those allowances are going to end up changing the cost after you sign contract. This is big with us because once you sign construction contract with us, our costs do not change. The other piece is code. So a lot of the times the scope of work that you are outlining with the contractor is a simple scope of work, but they're going to not look at things like, are your smoke detectors up to code, or do the pipes fit for the current plumbing codes that are required? These are things that we want to catch on the front end, so we're not surprising you with them on the back end. So short answer, we go into more depth on our bids to make sure that they're accurate and that you're getting the correct pricing. If you have any questions on this, please contact us at our website, hdcbuild.com.